Okay, just had a very interesting conversation with my passenger, and we were talking about Uber and Waymo, and he was a owner of a company that, anyway, he's got a business, and he said, I paid $50 for this trip, and look what I got paid, $22.80. So that's less than half. So that really really makes the point, man, that we're not getting anywhere near 70%. Now that's just one trip, but that's significantly less. What am I getting, like 45%? 22.80 over 50. So interesting, the things you can pick up talking to your passengers, for sure. All right, I'm leaving the airport area. I never go and wait at the lot. I'll drive 5 minutes or so and get a ride as I headed towards the Natomas area of Sacramento. What time is it? It's almost 10 at night. That was my first ride, was an airport run. So I'll be driving all night. And giddy up. See what I can do.